Hey, hello everybody. My name is Dahlia and welcome to my English class. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use stress on a specific syllable of a particular word. Okay, I have seen a lot of people and students have a common question. Can you use stress naturally? Or is there any specific rule of using stress? Yes, of course, there are some specific rules. Now, if you are still not able to use stress properly, don't get worried about it because in this video, I am going to give you some basic rules of using stress. Okay, so please watch the video till the end. Now let's get started. Rule number 1. If a word is a noun and it has 2 syllables. Again, if a word is a noun, and you all know what is noun, right? Noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a person, it can be the name of a place, or it can be the name of an object, right? So, if a word is a noun and it has 2 syllables, then the stress is always placed on the first syllable. Got it? For example, happy, happy. You can say, today I am very happy. Don't say, today I am very happy. Today I am very happy. Next, table. For example, table. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Okay? Alright. Apple. Apple. I like apple. Apple is my favorite fruit also. So, you don't say I like apple. You can say I like apple. I love to eat apples. Okay? Alright. Next one. If a word is a verb and it has 2 syllables. Again, if a word is a verb, and you all know what is verb, right? So, if a word is a verb and it has 2 syllables, then the stress is always placed on the second syllable. Okay? Alright? For example, insult. Insult. Don't insult me. Don't insult me. I don't like to insult people. I don't like to insult people. Okay? Another one is like suspect. Okay? Alright, so if any word or if a word is a verb and it has 2 syllables, then always the stress is placed on the second syllable. Okay? Got it? Okay. Next one is compound words. What is compound word? Compound words mean when 2 or 3 different words are combined and make a different word or phrase. Okay? Alright. For example, notebook, ice cream, hairbrush. Okay? Alright. So, if a word is compound word and it has 2 syllables, then the stress is always placed on the first syllable. Okay, all right. For example, ice cream. I love to eat ice cream. I love to eat ice cream. Okay, all right. I had to buy 2 notebooks. One very important thing, always remember we can only stress on vowel sounds. We can't stress on consonant sounds. Okay, all right. I hope it's clear. Now let me tell you, there are some words in English we can never stress, and they are articles, prepositions, conjunctions, personal pronouns, and we verbs. Okay, all right. We can never stress on these words. Okay, all right. Well, I hope you all have enjoyed the video, and I'm sure you all have learned something new today. If you still need any kind of clarification, or if you have any kind of question from stress and intonation, you can definitely ask me, and I would be grateful to give my best to clear your confusion. And last but not the least, please keep practicing. It is very important. Okay, all right. See you on the next video. Bye bye.